Hi everybody. Today what I'm going to show you is how to link your website with Google Webmaster Tool. Okay, so to do that you need to go to google.com/webmaster/tools, and then you need to log in using a Google account. Okay, as usual I recommend use your own Google account to do the setup, and then at the end that you transfer the ownership of the Webmaster Tool account to the actual site owner. So I'm going to log in, and here what I see is all the websites that are associated with my account. Okay, so I have the Ekomobi website, but I'm going to add another site for my customers. So I click on the Add Site button, and I enter the customer's URL into the box, and then I go on Continue. Now, Webmaster Tools is going to ask me to verify that I'm the actual owner of the website. Okay, the recommended method is to use Google Analytics. So if you've already installed Google Analytics, you can go ahead and just verify that way. If you haven't, then you're going to need to use an alternate method. So you click here on the HTML tag, and then you copy the token that is there. So the N8R part. So you copy that portion of the token, and then you go and insert it into Ekomobi. So I'm going to copy it and then go into Ekomobi and click on the Option tab within the administration and paste the token in this box and click on Save. So now I can go back to Webmaster Tools and do the finished verification. So I'm going to click on the Verify button, and Google's going to tell me whether the verification has worked or not. Okay, so it worked, so that's perfect. So now I can continue, and now I can see that I can see information concerning my website. Okay, one information that is really important is the search queries. So Google's going to tell me how my site is performing on search engines. Also, another element that's really important is it's the site messages. Okay, Google Webmaster Tools is the only way that Google is going to communicate with you if it finds a problem with your website. So let's say it finds a virus or spam or anything else on your website that is not recommended. Google's going to contact you using the site messages within Webmaster Tools. So that's why it's really important. Now what I'm going to show you is how to link your Google Analytics and your Webmaster Tool account. So that way you'll see your Webmaster statistic inside your Google Analytics account. So you go into your Google Analytics account, and as again I'll go into the website data, and to link the two I need to go into the Acquisition tab and click on Search Engine Optimization and on the queries. And the first time I do that, it's going to ask me to set up the Webmaster Tools data sharing. So I click on that button and go at the end of the page, and then you see here the Webmaster Tool settings. I need to add a property to this website. Okay, so I'm going to link the Webmaster Tool that I just created with this Google Analytics account. I'm going to save it, and then both are going to be linked. And from now on, if I go back into Google Analytics, I'm going to see search engine statistics inside Google Analytics. So I won't need to visit Webmaster Tools as often. So I go back to the search engine optimization, the request, and then I see all the requests are right there in the it's the same data that's in Webmaster Tools. I see it inside Google Analytics. Okay, so now the one last thing I want to show you is how to transfer the ownership of the account after you've done setting up everything. Okay, so what you're going to do, you need to go back to the list of all the Webmaster Tools account that you have. So you click on the Webmaster Tools title at the top. Then you see all the websites that you have. You select the one you want to change the ownership. So here I click on the Manage Site, Add Remove Users. And then what I can do here is I can manage the owners or add a new user if they want to see the reports, the Webmaster Tools reports. Okay, so that concludes this small video on how to link your website with Webmaster Tools. If you have any questions, don't be afraid to contact me at support@ekomobi.com. Thank you very much. Have a good day.